Have you ever said, I read books every day? And then someone says, I am reading a book right now. Why are both sentences correct, even though they use different forms of the verb? The answer lies in one of the most important topics in English grammar, present tense. In today's lesson, you will learn four types of present tense, their structures, uses, and key differences in a simple and practical way. By the end of this video, you will exactly know when to use each tense with confidence. So, let's get started. Before learning the rules, let's understand why present tense is so important. We use it every day when talking about our routines, habits, facts, and actions happening around us. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. It describes a daily routine. She reads every day. It describes a habit. The earth revolves around the sun. It expresses a universal truth. And they are playing football. It describes an action happening right now. In simple words, present tense helps us talk about our lives, our habits, and the world around us. Let's look at four different types of present tense. First, simple present tense. Second, present continuous tense. Third, present perfect tense. And fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Each tense has a different purpose, and understanding these differences is the key to speaking and writing accurate English. Let us explore them one by one. Let us begin with most commonly used form, the present simple tense. Its structure is subject plus verb, the first form of verb, plus object. Look at these examples. I read books. She goes to college. Notice that with he, she, and it, we usually use s or es with the verb. We use this tense to talk about habits, daily routines, facts, and general truths. Whenever something happens regularly or is generally true, the simple present tense is the right choice. Now let's move to actions that are happening at this very moment. This is where the present continuous tense comes in. Its structure is subject plus is, am, or plus ing form of the verb plus object. For example, I am reading a book. She is watching TV. We use this tense for actions happening now, temporary situations, and planned future arrangements. Many learners mix up these two tenses, simple present and present continuous. Let's make the difference crystal clear. I read books every day. This is a habit, so we use the simple present. I am reading a book now. This is happening at the moment, so we use the present continuous. Remember this rule: when we are talking about a habit or routine, use simple present, and when we are talking about actions happening now, we will use present continuous. Now let's learn about present perfect tense. Its structure is subject plus have or has plus the third form of the verb plus object. For example, I have finished my work. She has visited Paris. This tense connects the past with the present. The action is completed, but its result is important now. That is why we use present perfect for completed actions, experiences, and actions whose exact time is not specified. Now let's look at present perfect continuous tense. Its structure is subject plus have or has been plus ing form of the verb plus object. For example, I have been studying English. She has been working here. This tense describes actions that started in the past and are still continuing. The main focus is on duration, how long the action has been happening. When time and continuity matters, this tense is the best choice to use. Present perfect and present perfect continuous are two tenses very closely related, but they focus on different ideas. For example, I have finished my homework. Here, the focus is on completion and the result. I have been studying for 2 hours. Here, the focus is on duration and process. So remember, present perfect focuses on the result. On the other hand, present perfect continuous focuses on the duration. One emphasizes what has been achieved, while the other emphasizes how long the activity has continued. Before we finish, let's quickly revise. Simple present for habits and facts, present continuous for actions happening now, present perfect for completed actions with present results, present perfect continuous for actions continuing over a period of time. A simple memory trick is habit, now, result, and duration. Keep these 4 keywords in mind and you will always be able to identify the correct present tense. Congratulations! You have successfully learned the 4 types of present tense and their uses. Now, it is time to put your knowledge into practice by using these tenses in your speaking and writing. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and effective English grammar lessons. Thank you for watching.